Next up is software, production software, and the winner of that category is critical manufacturing for the factory automation module.
High-tech manufacturers are placing high importance on resiliency and responsiveness to guard against potential disruption and reduce dependency on human labour. Many are pursuing higher automation as a competitive advantage, with the ultimate goal of achieving lights-out integrated smart factories. The Factory Automation Module is an event-based factory-level workflow system that responds to events and orchestrates different applications, systems, and subsystems.
Right. Just like to say thank you to everyone and thank you for this award. Factory automation is part of a wider, broader set of software solutions from critical manufacturing, and I would invite you to check us out at A3 Hall, ASM, where you can see factory automation actually working live with different AIV systems. Thank you so much.
Great.